The Art of Imaging is an exhibition that aims to engage the public in bioimaging research through a collection of impressive scientific images submitted by scientists from the Quebec Bioimaging Network. By showing that science can be beautiful, we hope to spark the interest of non-scientists to learn more about bioimaging research conducted in Quebec and around the world. The exhibition is organized by myself and a team of dedicated student and postdoc members of the Quebec Bioimaging Network with support from the Neuro. We're really lucky in the field of bioimaging that our research often gives rise to really beautiful, colorful, and impressive images that can be appreciated by almost anyone. And really, what better way to get people interested and excited about science than by showcasing these types of images? By viewing science through an artistic lens, we can really disseminate these types of discoveries very effectively to the general public. Moreover, most people will at some point in their life have to undergo some form of clinical imaging scan, whether it's an X-ray of a broken bone or an MRI of the brain. And we think it's really important for people to understand that these imaging techniques are not only important for diagnosis, but also really essential for a lot of research that aims to advance our understanding of both health and disease.
So both of these images were acquired using a very popular technique that most of you are familiar with, and it's called magnetic resonance imaging, in short MRI. And they're both showcasing the structure of the brain. This image here on the left is called the average Joe, and this funny name actually represents the fact that the image was acquired by averaging brain scans from 20 different individuals. And by doing so, we're basically obtaining a brain atlas. And brain atlases are really fundamental in that they create reference images on which then we can project individual scans. And these are very used in the clinic, so neurosurgical procedures, but also in research. And this image here instead is also created and acquired using MRI, but with a subtype of MRI that is called diffusion MRI. And it's basically tracing or tracking the diffusion of water molecules through the brain. And by doing so, we're basically showcasing the individual tracks that are present in the brain. And this is where information is carried over and connections are created. The two previous images were acquired with MRI, and those were human brains. What we're showing here is actually a mouse brain. And this technique is not MRI, it's called ultrasound. And what it does is it was collected by sticking ultrasound probes in the mouse brain and by injecting in the bloodstream microbubbles. And this technique is not dangerous because the microbubbles then get eliminated by the lungs. But thanks to the microbubbles, what we're able to capture is, as you can see, the vessels that are aerating the brain. And of course, blood is fundamental for brain function in that it carries all the functional nutrients that the brain needs to actually survive and carry the functions that we're all familiar with.
To see the entire Art of Imaging collection, join us at one of our upcoming in-person exhibitions or visit the Quebec Bioimaging Network website to view the collection online.